Hello, everyone, and welcome to today's webinar. My name is Mike Rubino, and I am the Noise Lock Door and Window Sales Manager at ISC Acoustics. During today's webinar, I will be presenting a general overview of Super Noise Lock sliding doors. A recording of this webinar will be available on the ISC Acoustics website, which can be found by clicking the webinar link at the top of the ISC Acoustics homepage in the dark blue strip. If you would like to receive a PDF of this webinar or need additional information, please reach out to me directly. During this webinar, we will be discussing Super Noise Lock doors, ISC Acoustics brand of oversized sound-rated door. We will review the different types, most specifically the sliding configuration. We will review the standard and available options. What is a Super Noise Lock door? A Super Noise Lock door is ISC Acoustics solution for oversized sound-rated doors. They are constructed of steel members, sheet metal, and different types of fill, and are specifically fabricated for each application. They are either 4 or 6 inches thick and achieve a performance level of STC 50 or STC 55. Super Noise Lock doors are available in single and double swing configurations. Here are two examples of double leaf swinging Super Noise Lock doors. The one on the left includes absorptive acoustical panels secured to the interior of the door. Here are two more examples of swinging Super Noise Lock doors. The one on the left is a tri-leaf configuration. The one on the right is another example of a double leaf configuration. Both the tri-leaf and double leaf shown here include Noise Lock man doors installed in the larger Super Noise Lock door panel for a means of egress. Additional information on non-sliding, swinging Super Noise Lock doors is available at www.iscacoustics.com, or you can reach out to me directly by email or phone. Now that we have briefly reviewed the different swinging configurations, we will look at Super Noise Lock sliding doors. Just like the swinging Super Noise Lock door, sliding Super Noise Lock doors are available in STC 50 and STC 55 performance levels, which are 4 or 6 inches thick. They are also constructed of structural members, sheet metal, and different types of fill. Super Noise Lock sliding door systems are supplied with a track hanger assembly, electric operation, acoustical seals, and an acoustical panel labyrinth. The image and drawing you are currently viewing is a single panel horizontal sliding Super Noise Lock door with full acoustical panel labyrinth. ISC Acoustics guarantees a field performance within 5 points of the STC rating. Super Noise Lock sliding doors can be installed without the acoustical panel labyrinth, as seen here, when a lower performance level is acceptable. Another single panel Super Noise Lock sliding door is pictured on the left. A biparting Super Noise Lock door is shown in the middle, and an exterior mounted horizontal sliding Super Noise Lock door on the right. You can see that the biparting door in the middle includes notches in each panel. When the doors are closed, a mounting collar is attached to the opening to allow for a special testing procedure. In addition to horizontal sliding and biparting Super Noise Lock doors, ISC manufactures and supplies vertical lift Super Noise Lock doors. The one shown here is an interior mounted vertical lift stage door. This example is 12 by 18 feet tall. Whether a horizontal sliding or vertical lifting Super Noise Lock door, each door is manufactured at custom size tailored to each application. ISC Acoustics has supplied single panel Super Noise Lock sliding doors up to 30 feet by 30 feet. Manual operation is an option depending on the size and frequency of operation. However, most Super Noise Lock sliding doors are supplied with electric power operation. Like the swinging Super Noise Lock doors with man doors, which we previously viewed, Super Noise Lock sliding doors are also available with Noise Lock man doors installed in the larger Super Noise Lock leaf for a means of egress. Sliding and vertical lifting Super Noise Lock doors are also available with an optional fire rating, blast, and/or ballistic construction. This is an elevation view of a Super Noise Lock sliding door. This drawing includes the full labyrinth. This is a view that would be included in a standard submittal package of a super noise lock sliding door. This example has a 12-foot by 12-foot clear opening. Super noise lock sliding doors have a standard 12-inch overlap on the sides and top of the opening. The door panel in this instance would be 14 feet wide by 13 feet tall. You can see the track and operator system in the hidden layer, as the track and operator are completely hidden behind the acoustical labyrinth. A removable access panel is built into the labyrinth to allow for maintenance. This is a rendering of the same project as the elevation view we previously have seen. You can see that the door panel opens completely into the labyrinth, eliminating the risk of sound transmission out the back of the door opening. This is a plan view of a super noise lock sliding door and labyrinth. The acoustical labyrinth extends out from the wall by approximately 1 foot and then wraps around the door panel on each side. The acoustical panels that are used to construct the labyrinth are typically 4 inches thick and will meet or exceed the performance rating of the door panel. This is a better view of detail A, which was shown earlier. You can see that the support steel gets mounted to the wall. Once that is mounted, the door leaf is hung. The track and trolley assembly are pre-mounted to the support steel. The operator assembly is also typically pre-mounted to the support steel. As mentioned before, there is an access panel in the labyrinth to allow for service to the electric motor operator. You can also see more clearly in these two details the 1 foot door overlap at the head and jambs. There are 1/2 inch gaps between the door panel and the host wall, and between the door panel and the labyrinth panel. These gaps are closed off with acoustical seals in multiple locations. Before we end the super noise lock sliding door general overview webinar, I will review some of the previously shown images in greater detail. This is an example of an industrial super noise lock sliding door. You can see that the door panel is made up of structural steel frame, then filled with IAC acoustics panels. This specific application required a lower sound transmission rating, but required more absorption. What you cannot see in this image is that the back side of the door has perforated steel in order to achieve the required sound absorption on the interior side. This 12-foot wide by 18-foot tall vertical lifting super noise lock stage door has a performance level of STC 50. Often the decision between vertical lifting and horizontal sliding is based upon how much space is available. Super noise lock vertical lifting doors are not coiling and require ample space above, whereas horizontal sliding doors require enough space on one or both sides of the opening. This door pictured here would require approximately 40-foot ceiling height. That will conclude today's super noise lock sliding door webinar. We appreciate you joining for a general overview of super noise lock sliding doors. Again, my name is Mike Rubino, and I am the Architectural Door and Window Sales Manager at IAC Acoustics. Please reach out to me directly with additional questions or to discuss your specific project.